Hi, today we are going to draw a mechanical 2D drawing. So this drawing we will draw here. The dimension we will give here. First of all, we will draw a circle. So C enter, specify center point and type D enter for diameter and 32 for diameter. And the next circle with the same center line, D enter and 52. And the next one with the same center, diameter 85, so D enter, 85 enter. Here the three circles are ready, as we can see in this drawing. The next one is these 6 holes up for dias 14, so type C enter on this circle quadrant. This is 7 mm radius, and we will draw the line from here to the center. A vertical line, and after line we will offset 4 mm both sides, so 4 mm. Click this line and click on this left side and click this line and the right side. And next we will trim this unwanted material, so TR double enter, click here and click on this line and click this line and this circle also. Now just select and delete, and we have to make this up to 6 numbers, so we will use the command array. For that, type AR, enter and select this geometry and polar, click on the center point and click enter. We can also assign the numbers TR, and we will trim this unwanted. And the next step, we will draw this circles outside here. This is dia of 12 and radius 14. So first we will draw this circle on the center point, and then we will move this 6 7, and the next one is the 14 mm diameter, so C enter, specify center point and 14 enter. And now we will move this from here to downside. It is 52 mm, so type 52, enter. And the next right side, it is, we can see here the 94, and the 94 divided by 2, it will be the 47. So we will move this right side, just select it, M enter and click, and towards right side we will move this 47. The next process, we will make this mirror to upper side, so click here and the horizontal, click enter. And to make this radius, as we can see here, the 12 mm radius, so F enter, R enter and give diameter of 12, and just click this circle and this circle. And now we will join this line, and then trim this inner side, TR double enter and click. Now we will make this geometry in the left side also, so just select it and make it mirror, MI enter and select on the midpoint and the upper side or lower side we can click anywhere. Vertical, here it is done. Now we can see the geometry like this is ready, and we can give the dimensions also if we want. Here we can see